Hey guys, first years.
Hi, freshmen.
Hi, freshmen.
When I was like you, like freshman, first week sa school, I was looking for the TBA. Wadyo ko kabaluan sa lapit ng TBA. Galibot-libot ko aling campus ug asa siya ng TBA.
When I was a first year in Siliman, I was just a typical student assistant sa assistant office.
Also, my first year experience was more on adjusting on my course accounts. The first day of my first year, we were given a 50-page assignment. And it was very, very shocking because in high school, no one would give you a 50-page assignment.
My first year experience was really fun for me. I just enjoyed the whole school year and I had so much fun, and probably gave a very good impression of the whole college life for me personally.
My freshman years, it was awesome. First day kay kuyawan una kay wala pa kayo ko yung mga kailang. Then una siya tsada kay magkakita mo tanan ba sa inyong mga classmates from high school, and magka new friends mo kay from other schools.
Freshman experience was a little bit hectic because napay practice, napay mga requirements and assignments.
Even though like student assistant ako, I didn't stop myself from experiencing different things in Siliman. Kasi sa Siliman, nagkang kayo may experience, nagkang kayo ways para hindi mo na ma-develop yung mga talents and potential as a student.
When I was a freshman student, I actually met a lot of friends, and one advice I could give to the freshman students out there is to participate in a lot of activities, and especially in the student government. And aside from that, you have to learn not to be apathetic about the different issues that is facing the youth of today, and aside from that, you have to study hard and of course strive for excellence.
Every moment in the college life is very important, and if maabot lang mo sa 4th year life ninyo, you'll realize na ganahan po bumabalik ko first year na po. Considering na 4th year na po ko.
In joining sa organization sa school, dapat na may priorities, dapat din mo mabiyan yung sa eskwela. Everything should be balanced, and then you should have time management.
Learning a lot from different cultures and adjusting to different people and different kind of language. Well, these friends will make your whole college experience very good.
Tips na ako ninyo karong first year mo kay enjoy every second of your life in your freshman years. That's all.
Enjoy being a Silimanian and meeting new friends, and at the same time, you study very hard.
Focus on your studies. Okay na siya nga na kay extracurricular activities, pero focus dyan sa mga academics and learn how to manage your time and prioritize things. Pinakauna dyan ang study.
In that sense, wala na kapag stat, enjoy your college life. There's more fun in Siliman than in other schools. Kaingon ko ano sa high.
And my personal tip for you guys is that I think it's much better if you socialize and just find your friends. Don't get your corner and stay alone, but it's much better if you socialize, get some organizations to be involved in, and make your college life be a very memorable one.
Kailangan ko nga kamo mag-enjoy mo sa inyong first year kay if mo, second year and your junior and senior years, maka-experience ng mga hardship. So, do your best na ma-honors mo, and especially kung ganahan din mo mag-enjoy, do the best you can.
Manage your time good and always be on time sa classes. Malag, wala kay tuon, if na-test, basta kailangan ka, okay na lang. Attendance.
Just study hard at the same time, work harder. Joke.
Everyone
wondered what TBA means, it means to be arranged. So it's not a room, okay? If you have PE, just go to the gym, talk to your teacher, and you'll definitely know where you're going.